What now? I'm stuck here.
So you need a woman. So you need a woman to push for you.
Yes, yes.
Look,
I need
we
woman
have.
to push.
We have.
Kmiam. Kmiam.
Looks good.
Smells.
Nice.
Lapoy. Finish. Ladep. Oh yes, yes. Ladep is finished, isn't it?
Tay ngelik siya po keper kay balik bamja.
Huh?
Ngelik siya keper, ngelik bamja.
Ladet chakber, ladet pamcha.
Ngelik siya keper. Shakper.
Shakper.
Ya, ngelik bamja.
Oh.
Ng set stay pin bamja ang tung pin bam.
Ho oi.
Ta.
Ta. Like always you say ta.
Set jeng tak ma pi.
Eh?
Minta sengi pin set jeng tak ma pi.
Hoi.
You will cook today, right?
Hoi.
Kimot set ke eh?
So chicken, pork, and then we're gonna have obviously rice. Because khasi people, they love rice.
Yeah.
There is no food
rice.
if there is no rice. Look at that
Yeah.
guy, he's working nicely.
Hard working.
Hard working.
Yeah. That's a khasi man. Manage this route? Can you pass us this route?
I think so.
Okay, let's go for it, honey. Let's see how you do it. Stop here for them. Wow, finally.
Never estimate Finnish drivers.
Okay.
We are the best in rally and motorsports.
Wow, that's interesting.
And then when we have Indian Mercedes-Benz, Tata, you can sponsor me with the better car. I'm just saying that, you know, we are the best in the motorsport and everything, but what now? I'm stuck here.
So you need a woman. So you need a woman to push for you.
Yes, yes.
Look,
I need
we
woman
have
to push.
we have the very strong women here. Khasi women are very strong.
Finally, we have arrived
Yes.
somewhere in the jungle.
Wow, look at here, so beautiful.
Some of you Western people that India is full of trash. Come to Meghalaya. Come to Meghalaya. You will see how beautiful is the place. We have also many rivers and waterfalls.
Yes.
Rice is coming nicely. Everything is washed now. Tomatoes, cucumber, chicken, pork, and chicken legs. Right? Okay. Sinrai. And then,
Blue, it's salt.
huh?
Blue, it's a salt.
Mlu.
Blue.
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 Millu.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a salt.
Yeah.
And chicken is dosiar.
Alright.
And pork is
Dok siang.
dos niang. So dos means meat.
Yeah.
Okay, dos is meat. All right.
Buk kay nateng karay ng karay. Saan to ka karay? Karay. Eh,
Oh,
B.
ah,
Saan to ka karay?
simple ka karay.
Karay ka to
Karay,
karay.
karay.
Ka to
To,
ka
to.
karay. Yeah, you take it. Buk ang lagi
Karay.
karay.
Ah.
Nyang.
Nyang.
Pnyang.
Kmiam.
Pnyang.
Kmiam.
Pnyang.
Pingyang.
Yes.
Pingyang.
Yes.
To.
Pnyang.
Can,
No, cannot drink.
oh, here.
Put to the, yeah.
Okay.
Adjust the oil.
Adjust. My guys, you guys.
Okay. I will try.
No. I'm saying that you guys, you use so much oil. Huh? You eat a lot. If we adjust the oil, we do like this. Enough.
Oh my God.
That's enough. It's enough.
Then okay, you give
Okay,
oil.
bye.
Little bit. That's yeah, enough.
Enough. Okay. And then we wait for a while.
Yeah.
We let it, you know, to get warm, to get hot. And this one, what is this one?
Jajo.
Chajo. Can eat like this.
Yeah.
Can try.
Yeah, it's sour.
Sour. Let's try. What was again?
Jajo.
Chajo. Wow. It's a good taste.
Yes.
Sour. Okay. Chajo. We put the chicken here.
No, we don't put chicken. Firstly, you need to wait.
We wait.
Yeah.
Up. Okay.
Put all the garlic and the onion on here.
All the garlic and onion.
Be careful.
Yes.
Okay? Nicely. Not like that. Ooh!
How?
Don't throw like that.
How?
My goodness.
That's the thing when the man is in the kitchen, huh? Don't do like that. Don't.
Okay. It will burn. It will burn.
Okay. Stop. Let me need to focus on here.
Ano kasiyang?
Ano, kasiyang?
Kasiyang. Siyam kata kasiyang.
What is it? Kasiyang.
Katu.
Katu.
This one.
Katu.
Yeah.
Oh.
You stir na.
Stir.
Nicely.
Stir it nicely here. With love. Always when you make the food with the love, you can taste it. Kumtu means like this, isn't it? Like this.
Kau kan cek nak mesin rai.
Sinrai, how much? This one?
Tetek.
Tate. Oh.
Aishu, give more.
More.
Ooh, how you put the salt? Just put it like that nicely now. This is garam masala.
Garam masala.
That is chicken masala actually.
Chicken masala.
More. Just put it. Yeah.
Enough.
Yeah, and add this garam masala.
Chicken.
King mentah. Looks delicious.
Yep. Let's see.
Machwa ka mlu.
Machua kalamu.
Mlu.
Mulu. So.
Taste first.
A bit more. Just a little bit. Coffee. We're gonna have also, for dessert, we have a Finnish coffee.
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, the food is ready. And it's time to start to eat this delicious chicken, pork, salads, and obviously rice.
With the view.
With the
Nice. Okay.
As always, we eat with the hands here in India. First taste always is the best taste.
Nice. Okay, you tried this the pork and jajo.
Pork and chardon.
Yeah, you try that one. How is it? Jajo.
That's that.
Bang. Bang jajo.
Bam jado. Very good.
Nice.
Nice. Very good. Coffee. Straight from Finland. Costa Rica. Shout out. You know, we Finnish people, we like to drink a lot of coffee. Like you Indians like to drink tea.
Yes.
But we are drinking coffee. And I'm so happy because my mother, because you cannot get this in India, so my mother sent me this packet all the way from Finland. And I'm very happy for every morning to make my morning coffee.
So you have your day with the morning coffee.
Yes, definitely.
Yes.
Definitely.
Coffee is ready?
Coffee is ready.
Finish coffee.
Finnish coffee is ready.
Wow. Okay. Smells.
I just realized one thing, that I couldn't sit like this when I came to India.
But now.
Now look at me. I sit like an Indian, huh?
Yes, that's nice.
Yes. I have practice. Okay,
Wow,
so we have some
smells very
sugar.
good.
We have sugar there. And we're gonna drink the coffee
In the bamboo.
in the bamboo.
Let's try.
An honest answer. Honest answer.
Oh, very tasty, but just one thing, because milk is
There
not
is
there.
milk is not
yeah.
there. That's what.
If milk is there, then very good. Okay.
We also drink like a black. Many times we drink a black coffee. Let me try it. How it is. Yes, very. Actually, the taste a little bit changes.
Because it's in
because
the bamboo.
it's in the bamboo.
Yeah.
And my opinion, it's more tasty than, you know,
In the cup.
in a cup. After you have done food, just take a from jungle for the banana leaf. Nicely, you have coffee. And then you look the beautiful view.
Yes, finally.